Hi everyone, Matt Neufeld here at Elias Woodwork. Today we are going to look at our line of 5-piece laminate polyester doors and drawer fronts. Polyester laminate colors and finishes provide an elegant wood-like appearance that allows for perfect color matching and fade resistance years after installment. Our components use environmentally friendly laminates, which is a green product and that contains antimicrobial additives to help protect against bacteria and offers a surface that is high heat, scratch, and stain resistant. Our doors and moldings are profile wrapped in the same material and prints to match HPL and LPL materials, which are used on exposed cabinet exteriors. There are several different frame profiles and numerous trendy color options available. A complete accessory molding program is also available to perfectly complement your cabinetry. Let's look at the production process. We start off with lengths of frame profiles that are cut to custom sizes for your doors and drawer fronts. The miter joint is then machined onto the frame pieces. Each machine is carefully calibrated to ensure a precise, tight-fitting joint. Panels are cut to size for each door and drawer front. You can specify your preferred grain directions when ordering. We then go to assembly, where the pieces are glued and clamped together. Each piece is then checked for smooth joints and is carefully cleaned before heading to shipping for packaging and processing. Our laminate polyester products are incredibly durable and long-lasting. They are ideal for both home and commercial cabinetry applications. Get instant quotes on Access now or call your customer service specialist for more information and pricing.